How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. I'll quickly show you on how you can connect this specific controller, GameSir G7 SE, to your Xbox. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. As you may have known, GameSir is officially licensed by Xbox and by Windows Computer. As you can see right here, it's completely designed for Xbox. So connecting it won't have any troubles. So the first thing that you want to do is to just grab the actual plug right here, or the cable, and then you want to plug the cable onto the top of your controller, which will look something like this. And then you want to plug the other end onto the USB port of your Xbox. So from there, it will then pair. After waiting for a couple of seconds, just press this Xbox button right here, and then it will instantly be applicable or be compatible with your Xbox console. So that's how easy it is. You don't have to make it a little bit confusing. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.